Okay, joining us now is Wish TV's medical reporter, Dr. Mary Gillis.
Hey, Mary, we got some health headlines to get into.
Hi, guys. Happy Friday. Great to see you. Yeah, okay, so let's get started. So think about your company. Is it eco-friendly? Is there a green space at the office? Turns out more and more employees want those things. 75% actually. Essity, a global hygiene and health company, did a survey of people who've gone back to the office at least part-time and found the vast majority want it to be more environmentally friendly. And those people have become greener at home, too. Working from home during the pandemic made people more aware of what it takes to create environmentally friendly workplaces. And as many as 4 in 10 people who are job searching say they prioritize companies based on their reputation for sustainability, something researchers say companies should keep in mind if they're struggling to fill positions.
That's a big one. I have not necessarily thought about how sustainable the office is, but maybe that means I need to be a better human being.
Maybe.
Alexis, I don't think it gets any better. But you know what? I'm like, health benefits, hours, salary. Okay, sustainability.
Yeah, I know we kill a lot of paper in these newsroom streets.
But that's why you see us holding these now. When I first started, we used to have stacks of paper, so.
I'll recycle this. This will be recycled.
So
okay.
we all have to do better.
Okay, next one. Let's get to this one. So new evidence shows some babies born shortly before and during the pandemic may be developmentally behind. According to studies from the JAMA Network, there is an uptick in delays like talking, walking, and interacting. Researchers and physicians say uneven access to health care and child care and limited exposure to the outside world are factors. Experts have long known 85% of brain growth happens before the age of 5. And now many adult caretakers face unprecedented levels of stress that can impact a child's development. In a handful of small studies, children born during the pandemic have scored lower for motor skills and problem solving. Other studies show pandemic babies vocalize less than pre-pandemic babies thanks to increased screen time and mask wearing. It could be years before researchers can adequately measure whether the pandemic has a long-term effect on early childhood development. In many cases, however, they say the lagging skills are recoverable.
So many new parents, especially worried about how this is impacting kids. So
we won't know for a while. But, you know, good news says that it's recoverable. We'll see what happens. And, gosh, I just worry about the kids in our world these days. Such a trying time. But
a lot of obstacles.
Yeah, a lot going on. Okay, right now in your kitchen sink, do you have a sponge or a brush? If you said sponge, you're going to want to listen up. Kitchen sponges hold on to way more bacteria than a kitchen brush does. Researchers at a Norwegian Food Research Institute say a single sponge can harbor a higher number of bacteria than, guys, listen to this, there are people on Earth. We're talking salmonella, among other things, mainly because the sponge stays wet and humid and it collects food residue. Prime pickings for bacteria looking to grow. And it doesn't really matter how often you clean that sponge. Bacterial growth is just hard to avoid in a wet sponge. Brushes, on the other hand, dry out, which means the bacteria dies. Okay, are we sponge or are we brush?
Oh, we're definitely team brush up in here.
Hey, me too. Randall?
Can we move on to what's another?
Guys, it's just, well, just because you don't see the bacteria doesn't mean it's there.
We're gonna go to the tree of dollars.
Okay.
But now it's the tree of dollars.
I didn't know. I did not know that the sponges was bad.
That's why I'm here for you, Randall.
Sharing is caring.
Sorry about everybody who's ever eaten at my house, apparently.
Well, I bring my own plates.
Go ahead.
I use paper plates.
I know.
I'm messing up the environment. Anyway, go back. Okay. I'm not going to finish this one strong, am I?
It's okay.
I didn't think
Mary,
I was.
thank you for helping us get 1 inch closer to being better human beings.
Oh, gosh, you're so welcome. My pleasure.